And the Harry Potter potions cupboard is finished. So this is a little pulley thingy. Doesn't really have a purpose. A little cork board with Harry's ID, a ticket for the train, instructions for how to do spells, a map of Hogwarts. This is a little suitcase with Kate's initials on it. Here we have dried billywig stings, Veritaserum, Skelegro. This is the boomslang skin, keys, some teeth, scissors, rusty bells, Oculus potion. Behind that is an owlet's wing, gillyweed, giant purple toadworts, a bunch of little miniature potions, and eel eyes, salamander blood, spleen of newt, and then we have the newspapers, wolf's bane, the recipe for polyjuice potion, a little mirror. We have bezoar stones, and this is griffin claws back there, and this is a little magnet to help keep the door closed. This is the unicorn blood, Hogwarts logo, Hogwarts alumni, the Gryffindor logo, spell books, Harry's acceptance letter, the owl exam under that, bag of pumpkins, mandrake that I made from clay, a key with wings on it, and an hourglass. I did not make that. Phoenix tears, doxy eggs, puffer fish eyes, a cauldron with a broken handle, a little skeleton, and these are real bones from small animals, a fortune-telling hand aid, and there's relief on all of these that I did with stencils, so none of this came with these decorations on them, and then I painted them and aged everything and did a rust effect on a lot of things. Skelegro for bone regeneration, and I made the tops of them look dusty. Phoenix tears. These are some little Fimo teeth that I made out of Fimo clay. This is a little key with wings. Spleen of newt. And this I also made with clay. These are real bones from a little animal. This is mandrake, the little plant that screams. Emertentia potion. It doesn't cause true love, just obsession. Giant purple toadworts. I made these out of latex. Puffer fish eyes. Veritaserum for getting at the truth. Eel eyes. Gillyweed for underwater breathing. Oculus potion. I don't remember what that's for. Red eye on top there. Doxy eggs. Octopus tentacle that I made with clay. Rose thorns that I got out of my garden. This is a little fly in resin. I did not make that. Little suitcase with Kate's initials on it. Tiny little spell book. Advanced potions. That's the polyjuice potion. Another book of spells. Newspapers. The Daily Prophet. That's Sirius Black. This is the handwritten recipe for polyjuice potion. This is the owl exam that they take in school. This is Harry Potter's acceptance letter in a tiny little envelope that I made. Griffin claws. There's something that looks like claws in here. I'm not going to take it out at the moment. Howlet's wing. Bezoar, which is stones from a goat's gallbladder or something like that. Made those out of clay. And some little miniature pumpkins and a little skeleton. And I'm going to put all this in her cupboard. And we also have the Marauders map that folds up. And goes in, gets tied and goes into a secret little compartment. And finally we have unicorn blood. It looks silver.